Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'm going to upgrade my standard halogen spot lamps to an HID kit. And in this video I'm going to show you exactly what to do, what steps are involved and how to do so. So with that being said, let's get started with that. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to use this Xenon HID kit. This is a no-name brand, so there's no affiliation done whatsoever. This is the, what is it? I think this is the 9006 model. This is the one that's used for the actual spot lamp housing itself, the 9006. Initially I bought an H3 kit, which was wrong, so I had to go and get that swapped out. You get, in the box you get a diagram, an installation diagram, you get a manual to use, you get the actual HID bulbs, you get some brackets for the actual ballast, and then you have the ballast itself. Now these are 35 watt ballasts and they plug directly into the original sockets and original plugs that the vehicle comes with. So it's just a straight plug and play item. You shouldn't have any problem with this installation whatsoever. But if you have any difficulty, or if you feel like you don't want to do this on your own, you can get someone to do it for you, like fitment centers and whatnot. You can have it done there. Now, what these brackets here are for, they mount directly to the ballast itself, so you can mount it up like that. There's screws and nuts included with the kit, so you can attach it to here and you can mount it. You can have this like maybe zip tied to somewhere in the car, or you can have it mounted in directly. All up to you, it's your choice. Anyway, with that being said, let's get started and install this into the car, and we can have our final outputs once everything's done. Alright, so I'll see you then. Okay, now that the wheel is out, we're going to remove the fender liner, which is the entire area here. Is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's about 8 millimeters screws, and one 10 millimeter, which holds the actual plastic to the chassis itself. So we'll remove all of this. Then the spot lamp will be right here. We'll get access to it, and then you can install the bulbs in correctly. Okay, let's get started with that. Okay, to remove the old bulb, all you're going to do is you're going to get, there's a clip here. You're going to first twist the bulb off and pull straight out. And the bulb will be in your hand. All you do is just get something to remove the clip, and just like that, and it's out. Bulb is out, and we can install our new bulb in its place. So let's get the new bulb. Now that you have the actual bulb out of here, we're going to take our HID bulb, we're going to take it out of the container, we're going to unscrew it from the capping. This is just so the bulb doesn't get damaged in transport, or it doesn't be in any contact with any debris or whatever. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn the bulb to the side, and we're going to basically give it like a small twist. It's out. And now just notice that there's a shorter end over here. This end goes up in here, so that's the shorter end here, so it fits in. Insert it very nice and smoothly, and then give it a twist, and it's locked in. Right, now everything from here on going forward is also fairly straightforward. This is the actual power connector which goes into the vehicle power, which is here. That will leave for last. Now to connect the ballast, we're going to take the power connector up in here, make sure it clicks. So forth for the other two power connectors as well. They're coded in red to red, black to black, and it just fits in. Very simple. And now to just plug in the actual power for the light bulb itself. It should only fit one way, so let's go ahead, install that, which will be this way. That should be it. Alright, with everything hanging like that, we're just gonna go ahead test to make sure everything works. So let's have a look from the front and see if it works out. Oh my god, this is so bright and it is so awesome. The best way to actually, okay, wait. Normal, halogen, HID. Halogen, HID. Damn, this looks so awesome. Alright, let's get everything mounted up and then we can finish the install. Then I can bring the car down and we can see exactly how it looks on the ground. I'm so excited. Okay, how I'm gonna run it is I'm gonna bring the wires over this and hang and let it hook up from the top over here, which is on the actual headlight housing. And we're gonna put the bracketry on and we're gonna cable tie it or zip tie it to the actual holder here, so that it's out of its way, it doesn't move about, so that it'll be nice and sturdy and it'll be out of the way from any electrical components, because this ballast gets very hot. So we want it out of the way from everything, so it'll be nice and tucked, look nice and neat. Plus also no water and it will get inside here. It'll be away from everything, so it'll be nice and safe. Alright, with that being said, let's finish this up, close it up, and we can work on the other side. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, you found it informative, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or any comments, throw it down in the comment section down below and I'll be more than happy to help you. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.